Ever wondered what it takes to navigate the financial markets successfully? Well, becoming a profitable trader requires more than just luck. It demands a blend of knowledge, skills, discipline, and experience. In the next 7 minutes, dive into the 10-step journey you can take to increase your chances of becoming a profitable trader. First and foremost, arm yourself with education and research. Immerse yourself in the realms of the financial markets, trading instruments, and trading strategies. Devour books, take up courses, and keep an eye on reliable financial news sources. Aim to build a robust understanding of technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management, and market psychology. Secondly, choose a trading style that resonates with you. From day trading and swing trading to position trading, each style comes with its own unique characteristics and time commitments. Identify a style that aligns with your personality, schedule, and risk tolerance. Now, onto the third step, developing a trading plan. This plan is your roadmap, outlining your trading goals, strategies, risk tolerance, and money management rules. A well-structured plan fosters discipline and consistency in your trading decisions. Make sure to include entry and exit criteria, position sizing, and risk management strategies. The fourth step is to practice with a demo account. Many brokers offer these accounts, enabling you to test your strategies and gain practical experience without the risk of financial losses. Fifth, when you feel ready to trade with real money, start with a small capital that you can afford to lose. Remember, trading involves risks, and wise management of your capital is pivotal. Steer clear of overtrading or risking a significant chunk of your account on a single trade. Step 6 revolves around managing risk. Implement risk management techniques to safeguard your capital. This could involve setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, diversifying your portfolio to spread risk, and avoiding excessive leverage. Seventh, focus on psychology and discipline. Trading requires emotional discipline. Learn to master your emotions, such as greed and fear, as they can easily cloud your judgment. Adhere to your trading plan and refrain from making impulsive decisions based on emotions. Step 8 involves continuous learning. Markets are ever-changing, making it crucial to stay abreast of the latest trends and developments. Keep learning and tweaking your strategies as needed. Engage with trading communities or forums to exchange ideas with other traders. The 9th step is to keep records and analyze. Maintain a trading journal to document your trades, including entry and exit points, reasons for the trade, and outcomes. Regularly review your journal to identify patterns, strengths, and weaknesses in your trading. The final step, step 10, is to seek mentorship. Learning from experienced traders or enrolling in mentorship programs can provide guidance, share invaluable knowledge, and help you sidestep common pitfalls. So there you have it, a 10-step guide to increasing your chances of becoming a profitable trader. Now it's time to put this knowledge into action. Start your trading journey today, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more insightful content from us. Stay tuned and happy trading.